I put it in gear and... Yeah.
You need a new transmission. Big job.
Oh.
So you're sure it's a and not a...
Yes, it's definitely a...
That's your transmission. I've diagnosed thousands of these. It's not serious.
Every time I let off the gas, it makes this kind of a... like that. Just like that.
It's just your idle. It's a bit rough.
AAMCO's been the transmission experts for over 50 years. So why would you trust your transmission with any of those other guys? People who know go to AAMCO. AAMCO.